Welcome back to the Green Mac TV channel. For over a decade, Elgin Sweeper has been the official sweeper of NASCAR, trusted to clear every racetrack across the nation. From high-speed ovals to tight short tracks, these powerful sweepers remove debris, rubber, and dust, keeping the surface safe for the world's fastest drivers. Behind that title lies over a century of engineering experience. Elgin's machines are built for durability, reliability, and precision, whether handling storm debris in cities or emergency cleanup after a race. The Crosswind Specialty Track Sweeper stands as the standard for performance under pressure, proving that clean pavement is essential not only for speed but also for safety. Built for the toughest municipal and industrial jobs, the ODRA MS5H mechanical sweeper combines heavy-duty performance with unmatched simplicity. Since 2006, ODRA has engineered sweepers designed to handle dust, debris, and millings across challenging urban environments. Mounted on a Freightliner M2 chassis with a 145-inch wheelbase, the MS5H delivers the largest legal payload for a non-CDL sweeper. Its 5-yard hopper, 360-gallon water tank, and variable dump height up to 11 feet make it ideal for contractors and city fleets alike. The single-engine design ensures outstanding torque while cutting fuel costs. With air ride suspension and intuitive in-cab controls, operators enjoy a smooth ride and effortless handling. Every function, from brush pressure to tilt adjustment, is managed at the touch of a button. Maintenance is simple. Only 6 grease points, manual override valves, and easily accessible service panels keep downtime to a minimum. Electrical systems are rugged and easy to troubleshoot. No complex CAN bus required. With factory direct OEM parts and lifetime phone support, ODRA ensures reliability long after delivery. Strong, efficient, and operator-friendly, the ODRA MS5H defines what a modern road sweeper should be: powerful performance made simple. For more than a century, Elgin Sweeper has stood for one simple promise: built for clean, backed for life. From the very first motorized street sweeper in 1914 to today's high-performance electric and hybrid models, Elgin has continuously shaped how cities keep their streets clean, safe, and sustainable. Every machine begins its journey in Elgin, Illinois, where innovation and craftsmanship meet. Here, engineers design sweepers that are powerful yet efficient, ergonomic yet durable, made to handle every condition from quiet neighborhoods to airport runways. Inside the plant, advanced robotics, precision lasers, and skilled hands work together to build the world's most trusted street sweepers. Generations of dedicated employees pour their experience and pride into every weld, every bolt, and every test. Elgin's lineup covers every need, from the rugged Broom Bear and Pelican mechanical sweepers to the Crosswind regenerative air system and the next-generation Whirlwind vacuum models. Each one delivers uncompromising reliability, performance, and operator comfort. As part of the Federal Signal Environmental Solutions Group, Elgin continues to push toward a cleaner, smarter, and greener future, with plug-in hybrid and zero-emission electric sweepers leading the way. Backed by the largest OEM parts network and more than 100 dealer locations worldwide, Elgin stands behind every machine long after delivery. When autumn arrives, streets fill with fallen leaves, light, dry, and unpredictable. To handle them efficiently, Elgin's Crosswind 1 regenerative air sweeper is purpose-built for precision and airflow control. The key setting for leaf sweeping is the vacuum enhancer, a pressure relief door that optimizes suction inside the pickup head. For organic material, it must be fully open. Whether adjusted manually or from the cab through the optional display, operators should confirm it's set to 100% for maximum airflow. Before sweeping, a quick inspection of the pickup head is essential. Ensure the dirt shoes are level with the ground, the pressure slot is even and about 1.5 inches high, and the slot rubber remains in good condition. Both front and rear curtains should seal firmly to the surface, the outer light curtain and the heavier inner one working together to contain debris. Setting the center board toward the left side gives the widest pickup path for leaf accumulation. Once ready, maintain sweep engine speed between 701, 900 RPM, producing about 800 to 3000 fan RPM. Drive slowly, just 2 to 3 miles per hour, to prevent leaves from blowing ahead of the pickup head. If buildup occurs, stop, idle the engine, and let the fan slow before reversing. Then ease forward, taking smaller passes until the path is clear. After every route, clean the machine thoroughly. Leaves can gather quickly under panels and around the chassis, especially on Freightliner-mounted units. Removing side trim panels helps reach these hidden areas. By following these procedures, operators ensure safe, efficient, and effective sweeping all season long, keeping city streets clear and the air cleaner for everyone. When the COVID-19 pandemic spread across the globe, cities faced an urgent new challenge, keeping public spaces not only clean, but safe. At that moment, Elgin Sweeper transformed its technology and expertise into tools for community protection. Leveraging the same powerful air sweeping systems used to clear debris and dust, Elgin engineers developed new ways to disinfect sidewalks, parking lots, and transportation hubs. Street sweepers were adapted to spray cleaning agents over large surface areas, turning everyday equipment into frontline sanitation vehicles. Behind every machine was a team dedicated to reliability and innovation, working tirelessly to help essential workers, sanitation crews, and local governments respond quickly and safely. From highway milling sites to airport aprons, the Broce Broom machines roll in to get the job done. Founded in 1963 in Dodge City, Kansas, Broce Manufacturing has built a legacy of durability and performance in the sweeping industry. On the job site, the Broce sweeper begins its work by engaging its heavy-duty rotating brush and mid-mounted hydraulic boom. Whether it's clearing asphalt milling residue, loose chip seal stones, or debris after reconstruction, the machine sweeps, collects, and loads material efficiently. Its enclosed cab offers operator comfort and visibility, enabling high productivity even in long shifts. The hydraulic controls allow precise adjustment of broom pressure, sweep speed, and positioning, separating the Broce machines from standard sweepers. As the brush sweeps, a powerful vacuum or conveyor system lifts the debris into the hopper, reducing airborne dust and preventing secondary contamination. Meanwhile, optional water spray systems suppress fine particles, meeting stricter environmental controls. For contractors and municipalities alike, time is money. The Broce machines reduce cleanup hours, minimize stray debris, and improve surface readiness, enabling paving crews to proceed on schedule, airports to resume operations faster, and yards to clear heavy loads with ease. Behind the scenes, Broce, Less global dealer network and parts supply ensure machine uptime. When your sweeper is on the job, you can trust it will deliver day after day, job after job. One standout model, the 350 series, is designed for heavy-duty cleanup behind milling machines and chip seal crews. With full 8-foot broom width, hydrostatic drive, and optional curb/gutter attachments, the machine tackles vast areas with fewer passes. In the footage, you'll see the Broce broom machine maneuver around a construction zone, seamlessly moving behind the milling head, then sweeping the surface, collecting debris and loading it onto a truck. Each motion is choreographed for productivity, less downtime, fewer trucks, and cleaner results.